It's not just what you eat, it's how your stomach reacts to it. Today, we'll explore the gentle world of soft foods and how they can heal, comfort, and balance your digestive system from the inside out. Our stomach is more than just a food container. It's a working system that transforms what we eat into the energy that fuels our life. But in our busy world, we often overload it with heavy, oily, or spicy foods. This constant pressure weakens digestion, leads to acidity, bloating, and discomfort. That's where soft foods come in. Foods that are easy to digest, kind to the stomach lining, and packed with nourishment. They work with it. Soft foods are those that are gentle in texture, mild in flavor, and easy to break down. Think of foods like boiled rice or oatmeal, bananas, steamed vegetables, yogurt, soups and broths, mashed potatoes, soft-boiled eggs. These foods don't make your stomach work too hard. They glide through your digestive system smoothly, allowing your stomach acids and enzymes to do their job calmly and efficiently. When your stomach doesn't have to struggle, your body saves energy that can go toward healing, recovery, and mental clarity. When you eat soft foods, something amazing happens inside your body. 1. Gentle digestion. Soft foods are easier to chew and break down. The stomach doesn't need to release excessive acid to dissolve them. This reduces acidity, burning sensations, and bloating. 2. Calm gut muscles. Heavy foods make your stomach contract harder to churn them. Soft foods, on the other hand, keep your stomach muscles relaxed, preventing cramps and discomfort. 3. Better nutrient absorption. Because soft foods digest more completely, the small intestine absorbs vitamins and minerals more effectively, giving your cells more of what they need to repair and energize. 4. Soothing the lining. If your stomach lining is irritated from stress, infection, or spicy food, soft foods act like a healing balm. They coat and protect the lining, allowing it to recover naturally. In short, when you eat soft foods, your stomach doesn't fight, it flows. Soft foods are especially helpful during certain times in life, such as when recovering from illness during stress or fatigue after overeating or digestive upset for people with ulcers, gastritis, or sensitive stomachs. Even for healthy people, taking a soft food day once a week gives your stomach a break, a rest day for your digestion. It's like meditation for your gut, calm, peaceful, and rejuvenating. 1. Chew slowly. Even soft foods benefit from proper chewing. It mixes them with saliva and begins digestion early. 2. Eat warm, not hot or cold. Extreme temperatures shock your stomach. Warm food soothes digestion. 3. Add fiber wisely. Blend fruits or vegetables to keep your stool soft and prevent constipation. 4. Stay hydrated. Water helps enzymes work efficiently. Herbal teas or warm water between meals aid digestion. 5. Listen to your body. If a food feels heavy or causes gas, avoid it, even if it's soft. Every stomach is unique. If your stomach listens to your emotions more than you realize. When you're anxious, it tightens. When you're calm, it relaxes. Eating soft, gentle foods is not only physical care, it's emotional care. It's telling your body, I love you. I want to nourish you, not punish you. In a world of fast food and fast living, taking time to eat something soothing is a quiet act of self-respect. It's not about dieting, it's about healing. Your health begins in your stomach, in how you treat it, how you feed it, and how you listen to it. When you choose soft, nourishing foods, you're not just eating, you're restoring balance. Every gentle bite you take brings you closer to energy, peace, and strength. So start small. Maybe tomorrow morning, have a bowl of warm oatmeal or a banana instead of something fried.
Feel the difference.
Your stomach will thank you, not in words, but in comfort, clarity, and calm energy. Remember, health isn't built in a single meal. It's built in small, kind choices repeated every day. So, love your stomach. Feed it with softness, care, and patience, and it will reward you with vitality and peace for years to come. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health wisdom. Together, let's build a world that eats with care, lives with energy, and heals with love.